Well, Sindhu is back in Hindustan, and this is how she's being welcomed. These are preparations underway at the Gachibowli Stadium. She's en route right now to the stadium. PV Sindhu has landed at the Hyderabad airport just moments back. She's right now on a victory march on the double-decker bus, specially decorated for her, arranged by the state government. Let's take those visuals also on the screen, as this is how the dancers are preparing all this for our hero Sindhu. She is superstar Sindhu. Career which started at 8 years of age. She picked up the badminton racket and she's never looked back from there. How stadium is decked up right now can be seen on your screen, and on the other side is the tricolor waving high with PV Sindhu and her coach Pulela Gopichand. Together they are smiling, greeting crowds, waving, and this is the moment to savor for them. This is what they've prepared for years and years. A 4 a.m. practice session to ban on sweets, even mobile phone during Rio, but all that has been worth it. All her sweat, tears, toil is now coming to a culmination. This is how PV Sindhu is being greeted, ecstatic with her parents and her sister accompanying her on top of the double-decker bus en route Hyderabad's Gachibowli Stadium. About half an hour from now, she'll reach the stadium, and on the screen is how dancers are practicing all this for India's Rio hero PV Sindhu, who returns to a grand welcome. My colleague Ashish, Shivani and Shobit continue to be with us at the moment to give us more details on what exactly has been planned. We have Telangana ministers and Andhra ministers as well who are lining up. They've greeted Sindhu with bouquets, and this couldn't be more sweet, Shobit, for Sindhu, who has won against all the odds at Olympics. Take us through her journey so far.
Absolutely. First of all, brilliant visuals from the Hyderabad Stadium. 21-year-old Sindhu being given a grand welcome at the airport, and now she's being taken to the Gachibowli Stadium, where we can see already the drummers are already in place. The preparations are on. She's currently making her way through Hyderabad to this venue, where a lot of her supporters have also reached. There we can see the tricolor flying high. At 21 years of age, what she has done, she has become the youngest ever Indian athlete to win an Olympic medal, and fittingly she got a grand reward welcome at the airport as well. A lot of ministers there, more importantly thousands of Sindhu's fans there at the airport to welcome our star. Now Sindhu has been phenomenal. Like we mentioned earlier, she became the first Indian shuttler to win 2 medals at the World Championships, that in 2013 and 2014, and however her silver at the Olympics is the highlight of her career so far. Apart from that, she won her first international medal in 2009. Following that, she has won medals at the Uber Cup, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games, Asian Games and Commonwealth Games in 2014, the Asian Championship in 2014, South Asian Games in 2016. So, you know, her progress has been very, very stable, and now we can hope that after getting in, badminton has got India a bronze in 2012, a silver in 2016, in 2020 hopefully the shuttlers can bag a gold for India as well. Sindhu was just 1 game away from achieving that dream in Rio as well. In the final against the world number 1 also, Sindhu started brilliantly. We have seen a new side of Sindhu in this Rio Olympics, and we spoke to her parents earlier, we spoke to her coach earlier. Everyone mentioned how Gopi Chand in fact transformed Sindhu about a year and a half to go to the Rio Olympics. He made PV Sindhu, who we know is a very humble, demure person outside the court, he made her stand in the middle of the court and asked her to shout on winning points. He got out the aggressive side of her, and we saw the results in Rio, where she took matches by the scruff of the neck. Today, all that is paying off. Victory parade going through Hyderabad, and the next stop is the stadium, which we believe will be full to capacity by the time Sindhu reaches there.
School children as well, many school children part of Sindhu's victory parade. What an inspiration she is to many of these girls who are looking at their next idol. And the next idol's dream, of course, is Tokyo 2020. These are more visuals coming off the
you
school
speaking
children.
about the school
Very
children.
excited, Shobit. Look at them already taking their seats, eager to catch glimpse of their hero, PV Sindhu.
Absolutely. School children have lined up the streets as well, all the way from the airport to the stadium, and now they are taking their place inside the stadium as well. What Sindhu and Saina Nehwal earlier have done, even Gopi Chand have done, is made badminton popular, given the sport a new lease of life in India. And it's not just Sindhu. Even athletes like Deepa Karmakar have ensured that sports like gymnastics get a new lease of life in India. However, today belongs to PV Sindhu. Sakshi Malik, another great athlete who's continued the tradition of getting medals in wrestling. But yes, as far as badminton is concerned, we can expect, Devina, that after cricket, badminton could become the next most popular sport in India.
Gopi Chand will be the champ-making factory, the
Yes,
stop
Dronacharya.
of every badminton aspirant. We have Shivani, who's joining us right now from Hyderabad. Shivani, you've been on the streets. Tell us about the mood on the streets, the energy around it. How many supporters of PV Sindhu as she takes her victory march towards Gachibowli Stadium? We'll try and connect with Shivani in just a bit, but she is following PV Sindhu's victory convoy on the Hyderabad streets. As you can see on your screen, the mood is quite ecstatic. It's patriotic and many wishes coming across Sindhu's way, because she's not only been able to win the game, but she's been able to win the hearts of a billion plus Indians. On your screens as well, you have the practice session going on at the stadium, the Gachibowli Stadium. School children already taking their places, quite eager to catch glimpse of PV Sindhu from here. It's interesting that she will go to Gopi Chand Academy. And Shobit, if I can come to you right now on this one. Gopi Chand Academy, where it all started. It's called the Champ Factory. For PV Sindhu as well, 8-year-old girl picking up the racket. You needed a mentor so that you can be trained to perfection, and Gopi Chand has been that mentor.
Absolutely, and after Prakash Padukone, Gopi Chand was only the second Indian shuttler to go and win the All England Championship, which is really the Wimbledon of badminton. And he participated in the 2000 games, and after he exited, I believe at the quarterfinal stage, he decided that it's time now for him to groom the next Indian badminton star. So he opened this academy, and we've already seen the results. It's not just Sindhu and Saina Nehwal, athletes like Srikanth, who've done extremely well this time at the Olympics as well, going toe to toe with the two-time Olympic champion Lin Dan. He's produced a factory of these shuttlers who can compete with the best players in the world. And now we can see Gopi Chand right at the head of that bus, as along with PV Sindhu, as they are being taken through Hyderabad. We can see a convoy of cars all the way back following this open top bus, and it's a great sight to see for all Indian sporting fans and sporting enthusiasts that badminton
She's a national icon today, Shobit. I must say she's a national icon today, because even in the newsroom we had everyone clapping the moment she landed at the Hyderabad airport. Everybody ecstatic to see PV Sindhu. And as Shobit mentioned, there's a convoy of cars around after this victory march bus. Her supporters also eagerly awaiting her at Gachibowli Stadium. And what a rise it has been, Shobit. A rise not without challenges, not without tears. Any champion who has to go through that test of fire so that they are molded to perfection. Gopi Chand is a strict coach. 4:15 a.m. sessions. Also, he stays on till the last student leaves. There are tremendous pressure through which PV Sindhu has gone through, and this is the moment where she's reaping it all, isn't it?
Absolutely. Gopi Chand is a hard taskmaster. He reaches before any of his students, and he stays till the end, till the entire coaching session has ended for the day. And although he's very soft-spoken, outside the court, on court, he knows how to get the best out of the athletes training at his academy, and he knows how to motivate them. He's got all the attributes of a top coach, and we've seen the results. Gopi Chand has literally transformed the face of badminton in India. Whatever accolades that he's getting are also less. He's already been awarded rupees 1 crore by the Telangana government. I'm sure more rewards and awards will float his way. there can be a case of Bharat Ratna award for Gopi Chand. However, I'm sure that will be way down the line. First of all, I'm sure Gopi Chand himself would want to achieve the dream of getting India a gold medal in badminton after this historic silver as well.
We're all praying for that, Shobit, right away, because Tokyo 2020 is the next stop. But when I'm seeing these visuals, I'm also seeing there's always a saying, Shobit, that behind every successful man is a woman. And here you have the coach, Gopi Chand himself, behind PV Sindhu, who is handing her the flag, the tricolor, so that she can wave it to the crowd. It is a very, very poignant moment for billion-plus Indians who are watching this on their screens, for PV Sindhu as well, because I remember, Shobit, she's mentioned it a couple of times, how it was a routine for her parents as well for 4 long years, perhaps, to drop her at 4:15 a.m. but drive her through 30-odd flyovers across Hyderabad. Perhaps the same journey that she's tracing right now to Gachibowli Stadium. She would go through these routes wee hours in the morning, practice till late in the evening. Her father and mother would pick her back. And these are the parents who've supported the girl child's dream. Very important to highlight at this point as well, because we've spoken to PV Sindhu's parents a couple of times in the past week, and the kind of accolades and admiration that is building up for them is immense.
Absolutely. While we are hailing Gopi Chand, of course, the most crucial people behind Sindhu's rise have been her parents. They made all the sacrifices, taking her to coaching sessions, like you mentioned, and all credit must be given to her parents, and this should encourage other parents in India to ensure that their daughters take up sport, not just boys but daughters as well, because certainly at the Olympic stage our daughters have been more successful.
All right, Shobit, we talk more about PV Sindhu's career, her journey, and the welcome that she's receiving.